Tech products that are not commonly seen. Get ready to discover groundbreaking tech that will change how you play, work, and explore. We're diving into a world of cutting-edge gadgets and ingenious inventions, things you won't find in your average electronics store. Unreal Air AR glasses. Escape into your own private cinematic universe with the Unreal Air AR glasses. These revolutionary glasses transform how you experience entertainment, simulating the feeling of standing in front of a massive 200-inch IMAX screen. Imagine the possibilities. Immerse yourself in your favorite mobile games on a giant virtual display, stream movies with theater-like impact, or browse apps with a workspace that stretches beyond your physical surroundings. Unlike bulky VR headsets, Unreal Air AR glasses maintain a sleek and lightweight design, making them ideal for on-the-go entertainment. It's a completely personalized, portable cinema that you can take with you anywhere. Orb X. Step into the ultimate command center with the Orb X. This semi-enclosed pod creates a futuristic, customizable haven for work or play. Forget standard desks. The Orb X features a motorized monitor mount that effortlessly positions up to 3 screens at your ideal angles. Immerse yourself in your work without distractions thanks to the pod's semi-enclosed design. But the Orb X isn't just about screens. It offers next-level comfort featuring a plush, ergonomic chair, integrated wireless charging for your devices to keep them powered up, and a premium built-in sound system that envelops you in rich audio. Whether you're tackling complex spreadsheets, battling in a multiplayer game, or simply seeking a space to focus, the Orb X elevates the experience like nothing else. Splash Twin Scooter. Rediscover the joy of urban commuting with the Splash Twin Scooter. This powerhouse is equipped with dual motors, delivering a surge of acceleration that lets you zip past traffic and easily conquer steep hills. Say goodbye to range anxiety. The Splash Twin's long-range battery lets you explore your city without constantly checking the charge meter. Integrated LED lights make sure you're seen by fellow commuters, enhancing your safety both day and night. And for ultimate convenience, the foldable design allows you to easily tuck it away at home, carry it on public transportation, or store it under your desk at work. Melifo Curved Monitor Light Bar. Banish eye strain and upgrade your workspace with the Melifo Curved Monitor Light Bar. It's designed to combat the fatigue that comes with staring at screens all day thanks to its anti-glare properties, subtly illuminating your work area while minimizing distracting reflections that can strain your eyes. What truly sets the Melifo apart is its unique sound wave signal adjustment feature, letting you personalize the light settings with simple gestures for effortless customization. Add in the extra long battery life and you have a monitor light bar that goes the extra mile for comfort and convenience, minimizing interruptions so you can stay focused. Xenon Flex. Experience a new dimension of visual personalization with the Xenon Flex. This innovative OLED monitor breaks the mold of traditional displays with its ability to seamlessly transition from a flat panel to a curved screen. The adjustable 800mm radius lets you fine-tune the curve to suit your exact preferences, maximizing immersion for gaming or enhancing focus for productivity tasks. The Xenon Flex's OLED technology delivers stunning visuals characterized by deep blacks, vibrant colors, and lightning-fast response times. It's the dream display for gamers who demand the ultimate in image quality and flexibility. But the Xenon Flex isn't just for play, it's a powerful tool for content creators, offering a customizable workspace that adapts to different editing tasks and workflows with ease. Mavic 3. Take your aerial photography and videography to breathtaking heights with the Mavic 3. This drone boasts an incredible 20MP Hasselblad camera, synonymous with professional-grade image quality. Capture breathtaking landscapes with stunning clarity and detail, or film cinematic footage in high-resolution video. The Mavic 3 simplifies the flying experience, allowing you to focus on stunning visuals, not flight controls. Its intelligent obstacle avoidance systems actively detect and navigate around obstacles, giving you peace of mind and minimizing the risk of crashes. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a budding enthusiast, the Mavic 3 empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture your world from above like never before. Viso 360. Never worry about blind spots or missed incidents with the Viso 360 Smart Dash Cam. Its advanced dual lens system captures a full 360-degree view around your vehicle, eliminating the need for separate front and rear cameras. In the unfortunate event of an accident, automatic detection systems trigger, ensuring critical footage is preserved for review and insurance purposes. But the Vezo 360 goes beyond accidents, offering peace of mind even when your car is parked. Parking surveillance mode continuously monitors your vehicle's surroundings, and its intelligent alert system will notify you directly on your smartphone if it detects suspicious activity or an impact. This gives you time to react and potentially deter theft or vandalism. Hexar Helmet. Invest in the future of head protection with a Hexar helmet. Forget ill-fitting generic helmets. Each Hexar helmet is meticulously 3D printed, guaranteeing a perfect fit specifically tailored to your head. This customized fit not only enhances comfort, but also significantly improves safety. Hexar helmets abandon traditional EPS foam in favor of an innovative honeycomb structure. This structure disperses impact energy much more effectively, reducing the force transferred to your head and minimizing the risk of injury. When you wear a Hexar helmet, you're choosing a smarter, more advanced form of protection, backed by the cutting-edge technology of 3D printing and rigorous safety engineering. Govee Smart Space Heater. Stay warm and cozy with the Govee Smart Space Heater. Control it with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant for instant warmth. Enjoy safety features like tip over, shut off, and whisper quiet operation. For added convenience, it pairs with a thermohygrometer to monitor humidity and set automatic temperature controls. Making your bike electric switch, breathe new life into your beloved bicycle and conquer hills with ease using the Switch e-bike conversion kit. This intuitive system empowers you to transform your standard bike into a powerful e-bike in a matter of minutes. The kit includes a front wheel equipped with a 250W motor, providing a significant boost to your pedaling power. A compact and stylish battery pack mounts on your handlebars, offering extended range for longer commutes or leisure rides. Choose from 5 power settings to tailor your ride to your needs. Whether you're cruising along flat paths or tackling challenging inclines, the Switch system seamlessly integrates with your pedaling to provide a smooth and effortless electric assist. With the Switch conversion kit, you can experience the joy of electric biking without the hefty price tag of a brand new e-bike. Stake out. Be prepared for any camping adventure with the Stakeout multi-tool. It packs 11 essential tools into one lightweight and portable device. Tackle tasks like food prep, campsite maintenance, and gear repair with ease and efficiency, maximizing your time in the great outdoors. Smart Home Wise Cam Pan. Keep an eye on your home or even your pets with the Wise Cam Pan. This smart home camera offers incredible value with pan/tilt/zoom functionality for full room coverage. It boasts color night vision, motion tracking, and two-way audio, all controlled through the convenient Wise app. SwitchBot Smart Curtain. Automate your curtains for a more convenient and luxurious smart home experience with the SwitchBot Smart Curtain. This clever device easily attaches to your existing curtain rods using the included adapters and integrates seamlessly with popular smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. With voice commands, preset schedules, or the SwitchBot app, you can effortlessly open or close your curtains throughout the day. Imagine waking up to gentle morning sunlight or closing your curtains for a movie night without ever leaving your couch. The SwitchBot Smart Curtain also boasts additional features like adjustable travel distance and speed settings, allowing you to customize the automation to your liking. Plus, it even detects obstacles and stops operation to prevent any damage to your curtains or blinds.